how to build narrative communication skills. The STAR method was how to answer a question, but how to build a story. There are 5 points. First is hook, context, catalyst, outcome, and reflection. So hook is why, like, to start with a curiosity or an event that makes the audience want to keep watching or reading. So we all know that this is an era of instant gratification. People looking at only 5 seconds or 10 seconds can judge whether they would want to watch the entire video. If there's a video of 10 minutes, by only watching the 5 or 10 minutes, you will have a judgment whether I will continue or watching or not. So it's very important to have the hook of it. The opening lines, the introduction, the very beginning should be very captivating, that it captures the attention of the audience. Next is context: who, what, when, where, and why. The situation setting, the scene setting. It's very important to have a context and give the basic information. Then catalyst. We know catalysts are something which combines, which shows us a way of how to move from one point to another. So what was the problem? What was the main issue in hand? What is the main part of the story? A specific event, a problem causing challenges, or what is the story about? That is catalyst. Now, outcome, the major part of outcome. And you can see in the image also that outcome should be discussed more. Like, we should focus more on the outcome. We should quantify our outcome, talk it in a way that people tend to remember it. This section showcases the result of the character's action and impact on themselves and others. Why the story was important. Okay. How were you able to achieve that? What is the skill you are trying to show in the story? What is the point you want the other person to remember you by? So that is outcome. And then reflection, the moral of the story, where the protagonist reveals what they have learned and how it has impacted their life going forward. Like, for example, if I'm talking about a skill I learned in one of my problem faced in my previous organization, what have I learned from it? What was, like, what were my learnings, my key learnings from that particular problem? How well I was able to handle it? What is the reflection I'm trying to show you? Like, what was the main agenda of that entire story, right?